Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss on a topic dispersion of light. Let me explain with an example. Here we have a prism. Just draw a normal. A white light from the air strike on the surface of the prism, and we know that it will refract, and after the refraction will passes through the prism. As we can see that as light passes through the prism, it splits and comes out from the other side of the prism as different colors of light. Strange, na? But there is nothing to be strange. These colors are not created by the prism. The colors are components of white light. White light actually the mixture of these 7 colors which get separated while passing through the prism. And this is what called dispersion. This process is called dispersion of light. Let me define it. The phenomenon of splitting of white light into its component while passing through a transparent medium like a glass prism is called dispersion of light. Now question is that why does light get dispersed? What is the cause behind the dispersion of light? These 7 colors of the light travel with a different speed in a glass. Red has maximum speed while the violet has minimum speed. And the second thing is that the bending ability of light towards the normal, which is measured by refractive index. Red has minimum refractive index while the violet has maximum refractive index. Keeping these things in mind, let's get back to our prism. Here the white light, which is the mixture of 7 different colors, as passes through the prism, red comes out of the prism very fast than any other colors, and because of low refractive index it bends a less towards the normal, while the violet having low velocity takes a little time than any other colors to comes out of the prism, and because of high refractive index it bends more towards the normal and chooses this path. Similarly, the other colors, depending on their own refractive index, chooses their own diffractive path. This is how the different color of light gets separated from each other, which results in dispersion of light. This is the reason behind the dispersion of light. Now, it is time for some examples of dispersion of light. Do you know that our nature has given an example? Yes, this is rainbow, which is the example of natural dispersion of light. Next, we will discuss how the rainbow is formed. After the rainfall, the water droplet float in the atmosphere. The white light from the sun strike on the drop, one of the drop, and get dispersed into 7 different colors. And from the other side, it gets reflected back by the total internal reflection and comes into the atmosphere. And this is what we are looking for, that is a rainbow. Now there is a question, does the dispersion occur in vacuum? The answer is simple, no, because in the vacuum all the colors of light moves with the same speed and they mix together to form a white light. Now after the dispersion of light, these colors are if obtained on a screen, then we have a bands of 7 different colors. This bands of different colors is known as spectrum. Next, these colors are arranged in order of increasing wavelength, and by taking the first letter of all the colors and arrange in the same order, then we have a word that is called a Vibgyor. Here V stand for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. Now this is over. For more videos, just watch my channel.